Hi everyone, I know today is a beautiful day. It's Mother's Day and I've decided to share a great recipe. It is considered to be a spinach sauce for my delicious kingfish. Okay, let me go in the light where you can actually see. Alright, so I went ahead and I picked some spinach from the tree. I washed it. You know, you make sure you clean every side and just make sure every part of the spinach is cleaned from your garden, okay? And then I'll show you how to go ahead and start sauteing the spinach. You want to cut the spinach. I'm trying to get it as close as possible, so you want to give some slices. Just give it some cut, you know, slice it as so you could have like a whole bunch of sliced. Okay, so your spinach is all sliced up right now, and you're ready. And you want to at least give like a handful of spinach, so it would be easy. Okay. You have some water. You want to go ahead and add at least a cup of water. Add water. It's kind of, you want to add water here, so at least a cup of water. And once you add your water now, you want to go ahead and add your spinach inside. So you're going to boil down the fresh cut of spinach and make sure that once it's boiled in really nicely, you want to make sure that you get all in here to get it all nice and soft and chewable. Although sometimes you could have a salad with the spinach itself, but you want to cook this because we're going to make a sauce, delicious sauce. So it's pretty much boiling. So if you ever had done cabbage, you know, it's similar. You know, you want to have that texture once you've cooked the cabbage, but we're talking about here is spinach, so we wanted to make sure that once it's boiled, it's nice and soft and easy to chew. So we're going to break it down even more so once we've completed the cooking process of the spinach. Now that you've done these 15 minutes to 20 minutes of breaking it down, you want to turn off the spinach, and then now you want it to cool off for at least another 15 minutes, because now you're going to take this spinach and then you're going to put it in the blender. There are basically, not too much, let's put this away. Here are your basic ingredients. You want sofrito. Sofrito is made with pepper, onions, garlic, you know, sweet pepper, and whatever you like to mix it all up, you know, with onions, and you just grind it in the blender and make sure you got your little sofrito going on there. Then you want to go and you want to get some chunky salsa. I mean, yeah, the mild one, or if you like hot, is fine, but I like mild chunky salsa to go with my spinach. You want some olive oil, and you want some lemon pepper. If you don't have lemon pepper, you could use black pepper, it's fine, but, and then you could squeeze a lemon if you would like, you know, it's up to you. But, and then also you could have apple cider vinegar inside so that you could have that nice tangy flavor along with it. But I'm gonna show you how much I put in so that you could have the exact ingredients for this. Okay, alrighty, let's blend. This is it right here. This is the spinach that it's all cooled off and nice, and it's 2 cups. You want to make sure you have 2 cups of spinach with a handful of spinach, and a handful of spinach will probably be about, say, 20 spinach leaves. Hello? Wait, what's going on here? Oh my god, low battery, shit. Okay, I'm back. Well, oops. Anyways, yeah, my battery was dying, but I need to get this recording out so you guys can know the delicious spinach sauce for my kingfish. So yeah, so now that this is thing nice and cooled off or whatever, you want to go ahead and drop into the blender the spinach. Okay, spinach is in. Voila, look at that, so good in there. Ooh. And then you want to add the sofrito. And oh, I guess my battery is still acting up a little. Okay, well, all right. Well, hold on one second. Let me get these other stuff in here too as well. Okay. Okay. Now this was a cup of sofrito, so that's good, right? So now you want to put some vinegar in there. So you want to put at least 1 tablespoon. I know it's a tablespoon when I throw my in. Then you want to add the lemon pepper. You want to at least add a teaspoon of lemon pepper in there, or 2, whatever flavors, you know, if you want to taste more lemony or you want more pepper, whatever floats your boat. But I usually do a tablespoon, well, a teaspoon, sorry, teaspoon. Then you want to put a tablespoon of olive oil. Okay. And then for your salsa, you want to put at least 1, 2 tablespoon of salsa. Alrighty. You want to cover that here like that. And then you want to do the blending part here. All you want to do is put your spinach that was in the blender and get it ready. Bubble it up when it's nice, and just keep stirring it and stuff like that. And then you want to add mashed potatoes. Okay. So in your thickness of how thick you want your sauce to be. So you're gonna just continuously mixing while it gets thick and nice and delicious. Okay, now that I did the sauce, now it's nice and thick, it's really delicious, and now I'm gonna add it to the kingfish with flavors. A ladybug was cooling on a spinach sprout. The ladybug says, "This spinach plant has so much benefits. I enjoy living on a plant like this." But one day, an inquisitive large finger came poking at me. Oh, oh, down I go, the spinach plant. Up I go, the spinach. Oh, down I go, the spinach plant. Up I go, the spinach plant. Trying to find a way to get away. I'm not leaving this spinach sprout. I like living on this plant. This is my home. Make a wish. I am only here for you to make a wish. It is known that you just make a wish. The end.